Hello friends, we have already seen the connectives and few examples in the last class. Now let's move on with the next concept, that is inverse, converse and contrapositive. Don't mix up converse and contrapositive with contingency and contradiction. Contingency means when output is mixture of true and false. Contradiction is when all the output are false. Yes, ये कुछ अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है, दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट्स को मिक्स मत करो. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इनवर्स, कॉन्वर्स एंड कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज applicable only when it is the conditional statement. Do you remember the conditional statement? Yes, P implies Q, that arrow वाला statement. Yes, so we'll write it here. This concept is only applicable when it is conditional statement. So let's see what is inverse, converse and contrapositive. First we'll write the conditional statement. Inverse, converse, contrapositive. We know that conditional statement is P implies Q. Yes. So इनवर्स कैसे होता है इसका? अगर दोनों जगह हम नेगेशन डाल दें, we already seen what is negation. Yes. अगर दोनों जगह हम नेगेशन डाल दें तो इसका इनवर्स हो जाता है. नेगेशन P implies negation Q. ओरिजिनल स्टेटमेंट, दिस इज कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट को अगर फ्लिप मारोगे, Q implies P करोगे, देन इट इज कन्वर्स. ओके, Q implies P. और ओरिजिनल स्टेटमेंट को फ्लिप करके दोनों जगह अगर नेगेशन डालते हैं, देन इट इज कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव. नेगेशन Q implies negation P. Okay, I hope you understood this. We'll see example. Just go through this. Now let's understand this concept through an example. Suppose if I say, conditional statement is if then statement. Yes, if it rains, then cricket match will be cancelled. Yes. Example. If it rains, then cricket match will be cancelled. Can I say if के बाद जो भी स्टेटमेंट आता है that is P, और then के बाद जो भी स्टेटमेंट आता है that is Q. Okay. P is it rains and Q is cricket match will be cancelled. We have already given the statement in this form P implies Q. Let's see its inverse. Inverse में दोनों जगह negation है. Then what is inverse of this statement? If it does not rain, then cricket match will not be cancelled. Okay. If it does not rain, then cricket match will not be cancelled. दोनों जगह नेगेशन डालना है. Let's see converse. जहाँ P है वहाँ पे Q वाला स्टेटमेंट डालना है और जहाँ पे Q है वहाँ पे P वाला स्टेटमेंट डालना है. अगर if के आगे हम Q डाल दें, if cricket match will be cancelled, then it rains. Okay. Doesn't make any sense, but just apply here. कुछ सेंस नहीं बनता है. अगर क्रिकेट मैच कैंसिल होगी तो बारिश होगी, बट जस्ट डू इट. Converse. If cricket match will be cancelled, then it rains. What is contrapositive? इसी स्टेटमेंट में अगर दोनों जगह नेगेशन डालते थे तो इट इज कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव. If cricket match will not be cancelled, then it does not rain. I hope you are getting it now. Always remember, conditional statement is equivalent to contrapositive. Yes, P implies Q is equivalent to negation Q implies negation P, and inverse and perverse are equivalent. Negation P implies negation Q is equivalent with Q implies P. We will prove it with truth table. Just go through this. Okay, now let's prove this. I hope you are understanding the chapter. Chapter is very simple, but be precise, be accurate with all the concepts. we have to prove that P implies Q is equivalent to negation Q implies negation P, and Q implies P is equivalent to negation P implies negation Q. Let's draw the truth table. P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P implies Q, Q implies P, negation P implies negation Q, and negation Q implies negation P. These are the two main inputs, so let's draw true, false, true, false, though true, though false. What is negation of P? Though false, though true. And negation of Q is false, true, false, true. Yes. P implies Q. यहाँ पे कंडीशन बस ये थी कि if true implies false, then it is false, otherwise it is true. Yes, P implies Q. Here it is false, otherwise it is true. What is Q implies P? True implies true is true. False implies true is true. True implies false is false. And false implies false is true. Okay. Negation P implies negation Q. Negation P implies negation Q is false implies false is true. False implies true is also true. True implies false is false. True implies true is true. And negation Q implies negation P. False implies false is true. True implies false is false. False implies true is true. And true implies true is true. Now can you see this truth table and this truth table is similar? Yes. True, false, true, true. Yes. So this is equivalent. Yes. And these are same. Yes. I hope now you have understood how P implies Q is equivalent to negation Q implies negation P, and Q implies P is equivalent to negation P implies negation Q. Yes, just go through this and we will go with the next concept in the next video. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.